Hi, I'm Sean from VReps. Today I'm going to show you how to build a play using Draw. To get started, click the Draw Play link in the left nav. You'll be prompted with a play setup form, which will ask you some basic questions to get you started. Enter a name for your play, what sport you'd like to build the play for, and whether you'd like to diagram on a full court or a half court setup. I'm going to demo a basic baseline and a bounds play on a half court. Click the green arrow on the right to advance. Next, you'll set the starting locations and what direction your players should start. To move them around, simply drag and drop to their new locations. To adjust angles, click on the player you'd like to rotate and adjust the angle circle that appears. From this menu, you can also click Toggle Carrier, which will change whether this player is a ball carrier at the start. From here, you're also able to change the number of players or add more teams to simulate a defense. We'll add a single defender to guard the inbounder. Click Add Team and then the red minus to remove all the players but one. We can then move them to guard the inbounder. The final play setup step is to customize the labels and jerseys of the players. To demonstrate, I'll make our inbounder label IB and their jersey color green. You can also adjust the color of a team as a whole by selecting the icon next to the team name at the top. To demonstrate, we'll change the defender team to purple. That's all the setup. Now you're ready to start diagramming the play. Our very basic baseline and a bounds play will start with the 5 and the 2 setting cross screens for the 1 and the 4. To move the players, simply drag them to where you want them to move and release. When you release, a menu will pop up allowing you to set actions at that location. Select Screen for both players. Next, to ensure that both players reach their destinations before 4 or 1 move, we'll need to create a new frame. Frames are a timing concept that allows you to make sure previous actions will be finished before the new ones begin. In this case, we want both 5 and 2 to have finished setting their screens before 4 or 1 move. After 5 and 2 have set their screens, we want 4 to roll to the basket, while 1 should be looking for a mid-range 2 or a short corner 3. To have the roll off the screen, we will need a curved path. To curve a path, click and drag on the path line and release to set it. To make sure 4 and 1 have both cleared, we need a new frame before 5 sets an up screen for 2. We'll add another new frame to make sure 5 is finished setting the screen. We'll then have 1 released to become our safety valve, while 4 will move to the short corner to clear space to the basket. During this, 2 will come off the screen for a mid-range jumper on the far side. Another new frame to make sure everyone is done before 5 rolls to the basket. Both 5 and 2 are options at this point for the inbounder. Let's imagine 5 is covered, so we'll have the inbounder pass to 2 for a mid-range shot. To initiate the pass, click on the passer, select pass, and then click on the recipient. You will then be prompted to select what kind of pass to complete the action. We need another new frame to let 2 complete the catch before shooting. Shooting can be accessed in the same player menu. Simply click on the shooter and select Shoot. That's the end of our play. To preview the play, click on the play button in the top right preview section. The play button on the left will preview your current frame, while the one on the right will preview the entire play from the beginning. Let's check it out to make sure it looks good. That's it, you're done. Click Save Play in the bottom left to finish. You'll be redirected to your profile page where you can see the play you just saved at the bottom of your list of plays. Thanks for watching. You can find more of our videos and advice on how to use our software at vreps.us/support. You can also email us with questions or problems at support@vreps.us.